7 best iPhone fonts that you'll love. Let's begin. At number 1, we have Helvetica New. It's one of the most popular Apple fonts. It's clean, professional, and perfect for documents, emails, and minimal designs. At number 2, we have Avenir. It looks modern and smooth with excellent readability. It's a great choice for headings, notes, and clean layouts. At number 3, we have Noteworthy, a handwritten look that feels personal and creative. It's great for casual notes and personal projects. At number 4, we have Chalkboard. It's playful and friendly. It adds character to your text and works well for informal or creative content. At number 5, we have Courier New. This gives a classic typewriter style appearance. It's perfect if you like retro or text style font. At number 6, we have Marker Felt. It's bold and expressive, almost like handwritten marker text. It's great for titles and fun designs. And at number 7, we have Georgia. It's a serif font designed for screen readability. It looks elegant and works well for long text and articles. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.